5, solving systems, word problems, day 2. Okay, so it's kind of similar to what we were just doing, all right? What does system mean? 2 equations, okay? So we're going to go through them just like how we did day 1, where you've got the 4 boxes. You got to tell me your x and y. You got to come up with the come up with the equations, solve for them, and then is that a reasonable answer? You got copies today? No, not today. Thank you, girls. Okay, so example 1 says, a rectangular field is 12 feet longer than it is wide. Its perimeter is 76 feet. Find the width. Okay, so first we're going to define. We're going to tell what our x and our y is. Okay, well, what are they? Length and width. Okay, so I'm going to say x is going to be length. Y is going to be width. Okay, and I'm going to go sentence by sentence and come up with these equations. A rectangular field is 12 feet longer than it is wide. Okay, so what's important here? 12 longer. What's that going to be? Longer than would be plus, and the width is, wide is representing what? Y. What's longer than mean also? If it's longer, that's going to be your what side? Your length. So this is x, and it means addition. Okay, your length is always typically longer than your width. Okay, so how can I write an equation? Does it give me a total here? No. So what do I start with? X, the first variable. So x equals, what's the second part of the equation going to look like? 12 plus y, whatever I haven't used yet. Okay, then perimeter. Its perimeter is 76 feet. What's important? 76. And that's my what? My total. So what's my equation going to start with now? 76 equals. Equals what? X plus 4. Okay, so what does perimeter mean? Okay, so perimeter, here's my rectangle. What's perimeter mean? You add all the what? So here's my length. Here's my width. And how do I find the perimeter?
You combine.
Oh, sorry, they should be y's. You add them all up, right, for perimeter? So if I added these up, x plus y plus x plus y. How many x's do I have? Okay, so now I'm going to combine my like terms. I've got 2 x's and how many y's? And what does they equal?
Put 2 y's twice.
And what do they equal?
4.
No. What's the total perimeter? 76. So on this one, is it x plus y? Are you just taking one side of each?
Yeah.
No.
Wait.
For perimeter, you have to take all 4 sides. They are the same. So we take 2 of the x's and 2 of the y's. 2 lengths and 2 widths gives me the total perimeter. So for my equation, that's important. My equation is not x plus y. Because it's perimeter, it is now 2 lengths and 2 widths equals the total perimeter. Got it? Any questions about that? Okay, what's step 3? Do.
Calculator.
Put it in the calculator. Go find that x and that y. So here we go. Alright, so everybody should still be in their calculator. We're going to do algebra and systems. 2 equations, x and y. Then I put in.
Oh, I got it, Nish.
And we get 25, 13. Good job, Laura.
What?
25 and 13.
Oh my.
Okay, what's it ask for? What's it ask for? The width. So which one is width? What number? Y, which is 13. And what are we measuring in? Feet. So 13 feet. All right, my debrief. Did I answer the question that it asked?
Yep.
Yes. It asked for width, and we answered the width. Is it reasonable? Is the rectangular field 12 feet longer than it is wide? Is the length 12 feet longer than wide? Yes. Is its perimeter 76 feet? Well, let's see. How would I find perimeter with these two numbers? Just them together?
Yeah.
No, you add them like.
That's one side. That's the second side. How many sides are on a rectangle?
2. Oh, wait.
How many
4.
sides are on a rectangle? 4. So I got to do it again. And I get 76. So is this reasonable? Yes. So, yes, it is 12 feet longer. Oops, longer. And its perimeter is 76. So everybody should have that down.
Which card is it done?
Okay, example 2. Everybody got it? Questions so far? So what was different about this one than what you've been doing?
I see them.
It was negative the perimeter instead of just the.
Good. Your total equation is different this time. Instead of it just being total equals x plus y, now you had to have 2 x's and 2 y's on this one. Okay, let's read the next one.
2x.
Okay, this one's different, so make sure you're paying attention. Sean's grandmother gives him 42 coins. Some are dimes and some are nickels. Listen. Their value is $3. Find how many nickels and how many dimes Sean has. Okay, here we go.
Nickels and
Define what's your x and your y.
nickels
Nickels
Dimes and nickels.
and dimes. So
You're hating.
my x will be nickels, my y will be dimes, or vice versa. Okay, now the equations are going to be a little bit harder on this one. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention. It says Sean's grandmother gives him 42 coins. All right, so what's important here? What's important? Sean's grandmother gives him 42 coins.
How many dimes?
42. Is that a total? Yes. So 42 equals. Do I know how many coins he has?
No.
Well, I mean, I know how many total, but do I know how many of each? No. This is however many nickels plus however many dimes is going to give me 42. 42 coins. Then it says some are dimes and some are nickels. Can I write an equation from that? Some are dimes, some are nickels? No. It says their value is $3. What's important here?
$3.
Is that a total?
Yes.
Yeah, right? Isn't it? $3. Okay, their value, all the nickels and all the dimes are $3. So how do I write the other side? Greater, figure it out. X plus y? Can x plus y equal 42 and x plus y equals 3? No. So what has to be different here? Okay, so now we're talking about the actual money of the coins. Listen. You're actually talking about the money now. Okay, the first one you were just talking about how many total coins do you have. Now you're talking about the value of the coins. Now you're saying, okay, Total $3. Well, how much is a nickel? How much money is a nickel? 5 cents. So how in my terms as an equation? 0.5? 0.05 is a nickel. What's a dime? 0.10. So what's got to go with my x and y? 0.05 and 0.10. So 0.05x plus 0.10y. Okay. Any questions about how I got that? Any questions about how I got that?
No.
Okay, here we go. Step 3, plug it in.
42.
Two equations, x and y. Hey, we don't say that again. And please stop talking the side conversations. Everybody should be plugging this in right now. Okay, you hit enter. What do you get?
A dot.
24 and 18. Okay, what's it ask for?
How many dimes do you use?
How many nickels and dimes? So do I need to know both numbers this time? Yes. So how many nickels? 24 nickels and 18 dimes. Okay. Did we answer the question? Yes, nickels and dimes. I got it. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Does he have 42 total coins? Well, let's see. 24 plus 18. Yes. Okay. 42. Their value is $3. How could I check the value? Could I take the x and plug it where the x is and take the y and plug it where the y is? Yeah. Raider, open your eyes. So I took however many nickels I have and multiplied it by 0.05, and I took how many dimes I have and multiplied it by 0.10, and the value is $3. So yes. Value is $3. And there is 42 coins total. All right, sample 3. Last one. The drama club is selling tickets to its play. The cost of an adult ticket is $4.50, and the cost of a student ticket is $2.50. The theater can hold 250 people, and they want to make $1,005. How many tickets must they sell? Okay, step 1, X and Y. What are the two things I'm talking about? Just tickets?
Adult.
Good. Adult ticket and student ticket. And I got to come up with equations. 2 equations. Pick your heads up. All right. The drama club is selling tickets to its play. Can I write an equation from that? The drama club is selling tickets to its play. The first sentence. No. The cost of an adult ticket is $4.50, and the cost of a student ticket is $2.50. Okay, so $4.50 is important. What else is important? Okay, what else is important? Are my X and Y's in there?
Yes.
Okay, adult ticket is X, and student ticket is Y. Can I write an equation from this sentence? Listen. Can I write an equation? The cost of an adult ticket is $4.50 and the cost of a student ticket is $2.50.
Yes.
I can?
Yes.
How will it look? How will my equation look from this problem? What are these numbers talking about?
I know what you can put.
What?
For your equations, one of them,
Listen.
you can put 1,005 cost. I mean, 1,005 equals $2.50 Y plus 450 X.
How do you know that this 1005 goes with these numbers?
It's not with the sentence.
That's okay. How do you know that they go together though?
So that's what they wanted to equal, like how much like the final cost.
Why not use this number?
Because
Because that's how many
People. And what are these talking about?
money.
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 Okay, listen. Okay, 250 is talking about people. 1005 is talking about money. So all the money numbers got to go in the same money problem. Okay? All the money numbers got to go in the same equation. And then all the people numbers got to go in the same equation. Okay? So like Evan just told me, this is going to be 450x plus 250y equals the total amount of money, 1005. All the money numbers together. Now I got to have all the people numbers together. So how is that equation going to look? How's the other equation going to look? 250 is the total. Do we know how many adult or student people are there? No, so x plus y. Everybody got it. The money numbers got to go in the same money problem. Okay? Plug it in. Here we go. Everybody should be plugging it in.
Miss, I just really just made myself not smart because I messed up the notes.
That's alright. Right on the back if you need to. And what do we get?
190 and 60.
190 and 60. Good job. And what's it ask for? How many adult tickets? And that represents what letter? X. So what number do I need to know?
X.
X. So adult tickets is 190. Okay, my debrief. Did I answer the question that it asked? Yeah. How many adult tickets must I sell? They must sell 190. So yes. Is this reasonable?
Yes.
Yes, because 190 plus 60.
It equals 250. That's how many total tickets I sold. How else can I check it? I take this X
And plug it in.
and plug it in where the X is. I take this Y and plug it in where the Y is and see if we get 1005. So here I go. 4.5 times 190 plus 2.5 times 60. Does that give me 1005?
Yep.
Yep. So we are right. $250 total tickets sold. Okay. I plugged them back into the equations and it makes sense for both equations.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Questions? Okay.